In this video, let me show you how you can change your Facebook details like mobile number or the email address. So first of all, you have to log into your Facebook account. Next thing, you just have to click here. Next, you have to scroll a little bit up and click settings and privacy. Next, you have to click settings. Then next, you have to click personal details. And then here you just have to scroll a little bit up and click personal details. And then you have to click contact information. So you can click here, and these are the contact information which I have now. And if I would like to add any contact information, I just have to click here, add new contact. And then here I have to select whether I want to add a mobile number or email address. So if I would like to add email address, I just have to click add email address like this. And then I just need to select which account I want this email address to be added. And then after selecting, we just have to click next. And then we need to confirm this. We need to enter the confirmation code here. And then you have added your email address to the account selected. Then the next thing here, we have to click close. And this is how you add your mail address to your Facebook account. And if you'd like to change or delete your mail address, what you have to do, you just have to come and click on any of this contact information here. For example, if I click on the first email here, and then here I will have an option to delete this email address. Now, if I want to delete it, I can just go ahead and click here, delete, and then it can be deleted.